Good evening. Good evening to all. Yes. Good evening to everyone. Yesterday's takeaway question. Yesterday's takeaway. There is a parallelogram and a rectangle. Both are having same sides. And area of parallelogram is A units and area of rectangle is B units. The question is which is greater and why? Whose area is greater? Not greater? What is the relation between these two? Are they equal or not equal? If they are not equal, which is greater? If they are equal, why? This is what we have to understand. Before that, before going to explain this problem, anyone got this problem? Anyone have an idea? Will have an idea which is the Any idea, children? అసలు ట్రై చేయటం లేదు కదా, ఎవ్వరు ట్రై చేయటం లేదు. No one is trying. Tejal is there. Tejal, Vikramaditya, Sauryesh, Abhiram Kartikeya unnada? Area of parallel rectangle LB, area of parallelogram base into height. Srujan, Srujay. Aithe so can I say your area of parallelogram is A into B, Srujan? Can I take B as height? A base B height తీసుకోవచ్చా? Height of parallelogram will be less than the side of rectangle. No. How can you say? How can you say that height of parallelogram is less than breadth of a rectangle? Good evening, nation. Yeah. As Sujay told, area of parallelogram is base into height. Base is given A. Then what is height? In parallelogram, height is the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides. The perpendicular distance between the parallel sides. If you observe here, you can observe a right triangle over here. This is H and B is hypotenuse. B is always greater than H here in this small right triangle. B is hypotenuse, H is perpendicular. Clearly B is greater than H. Okay na? Now area of rectangle, area of parallelogram is base into height, AH. A is AH. Okay. Where H is less than B. Height of the parallelogram is less than B. Okay. Now here area of rectangle, length into breadth, A into B, AB. Now compare these two. Compare these two. Area of parallelogram A into H. Area of rectangle A into B. Area of parallelogram A into H. And area of rectangle A into B. Both the areas are multiples of A. రెండు ఏరియాలు మల్టిపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ A into H, A into B. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పండి 8 into 3 ఎక్కువ 8 into 7 ఎక్కువ? ఏది ఎక్కువ? 8 into 3 ఎక్కువ 8 into 7 ఎక్కువ? Which is greater? Both are multiples of 8 only. Both are multiples of 8 only. 8 into 3, 8 into 7. But 8 into 7 is greater than 8 into 3. Here also A into H, A into B. But here H is less than B. That means area of parallelogram less than area of rectangle. Because B is greater than H. Because B is greater than H. Or H is less than B. So area of parallelogram is less than area of rectangle. Or area of rectangle is greater than area of parallelogram. That is what you have to understand. Understand, children? Got it? అరే ఎక్కడ బేస్ చేసినా హైట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ లెస్ దాన్ హైపోటెన్యూస్. ఇక్కడ నువ్వు యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ రైట్ ట్రయాంగిల్. ఓ ఇది కట్ చేసి బేస్ చేస్తాను అంటావా? అప్పుడు కూడా BH వస్తుంది. ఈవెన్ దెన్ ఆల్సో విల్ గెట్ BH. Clearly we can see that AH only because there H is less than B. అది నువ్వు అర్థం చేసుకోవాల్సిన కాన్సెప్ట్. That is what you have to understand. Right. Next. I sent one more paper today in the evening. I sent one paper to you. Open that paper, everyone. See that paper. See the first question in it. Which of the following statements is true? Which of the following statements is true? First one. Every irrational number can be represented as a fraction. False. Every irrational number can be represented with the help of decimals. Every irrational number can be represented with the help of decimals. Every rational number can be represented as terminating decimal. Every rational number can be represented as an integer. Which statement is true? Third statement is true. Every rational number can be represented as terminating decimal. See, That is true. Now, question 2. Question 2. Yeah, B is also right. Every irrational number can be represented with the help of decimals, but non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. If you say B is also correct, if we think B is also right, no problem. So double answer for it, either B or C. Now second question, children, you see second question. Root 2 is a polynomial of degree. What is the degree of root 2? Anyone? What is the degree of root 2? One by 2. Degree of root 2. Sorry. Degree of root 2. We can express like this. Root 2 we can express like this. Root 2 into x power 0. So its degree is 0, not 1 by 2. Degree of 0 is, degree of root 2 is 0. Next. Third question. If 2 comma 0 is a solution of linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k, then the value of k, find out the value of k, children, fast. If 2 comma 0 is a solution of the linear equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Sauryesh leda? Substitute the value. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 into 0 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. So k value 4, correct. Now fourth question. Abscissa of a point is positive in. Abscissa means x coordinate. X coordinate. X coordinate positive in. X coordinate ఏ quadrants లో పాజిటివ్ ఉంటుందిరా? ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో పాజిటివ్, ఫోర్త్ క్వాడ్రంట్ లో పాజిటివ్. Abscissa means x coordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate. It is positive in first quadrant as well as fourth quadrant. Next, see the question number 5. Question number 5. In the given figure, POQ is a line. The value of x. Fast. What is the value of x? 7x plus 40 is 180. 7x plus 40 is 180. 7x is equal to 140, x 20, correct. X 20 degrees, correct. Next. Which of the following is not a criteria for congruency of triangles? Which of the following is not a criteria for the congruency of triangles? SSA, SAS is there, ASA is there, triple S is there, but SSA is criteria is not there. SSA criteria is not there. So,
Fourth one.
option See. Now question number 7. Question number 7. The quadrilateral formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a quadrilateral PQRS taken in order is rectangle if it is a rectangle. The quadrilateral formed by the join of midpoints is a rectangle. Then what is PQRS? PQRS is the quadrilateral formed by the joining the midpoints of sides of quadrilateral PQRS taken. So rectangle is the parallelogram avali kada. It should be a parallelogram. PQRS parallelogram అయితే దాని మిడ్ పాయింట్స్ జాయిన్ చేసి వచ్చేది రెక్టాంగిల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఆన్సర్ parallelogram. ఓకేనా? Next. See, if we join the midpoints of all the midpoints of sides of parallelogram, we will get a rectangle. That is what we have to understand. Question number 8. Given below is the figure of a circle with center O. Angle BOC 88. Then what is angle BAC? What is angle BAC? BOC 88. BAC is 44 degree. It is 44 degree. Central angle, inscribed angle 44. Next. Question number 9. Area of equilateral triangle is given 16√3. Then the perimeter of triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is 16√3.
Hello.
That means √3 by 4 a square is 16√3. Area of equilateral triangle is given as 16√3. √3 by 4 a square is 16√3. Then a square is equal to 16√3 into 4 by √3. √3 cancel. 16 into 4. Then a will be 4 into 2. 8. So perimeter 3a. 3 into 8. 24 centimeters. 24 centimeters. Now, if radius of sphere is 2r, then volume will be
Radius of a sphere is 2r.
radius is 2r. What is volume? Volume of sphere.
Volume of sphere is 1.
Radius is 2r. Then what is volume of sphere? We know volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. But r is given 2r. So 4 by 3 pi 2r whole cube. 8r cube. So 32 by 3 pi r cube. 32 by 3 pi r cube. Okay na? If radius is equal to 2r, radius is equal to 2r, then we need to substitute 2r in the place of r. Then volume it becomes 32 by 3 pi r cube. Next, question number 11. That is statistics problem. Question number 11 is statistics problem. Leave that one. Question number 12. Which of the following is irrational? Children, see and tell me which of the following is irrational. Which of the following is irrational? Root 4 by root 9. Root 4 by root 9 is 2 by 3. Root 12 by root 3. Root 12 by root 3 is root 12 by 3. Root 4, 2. Rational. So C, option C is right. Root 7. Root 7. Next one. In a right circular cone, the cross section made by a plane parallel to the base is. See, అంటే అర్థం ఏంటంటే మనం ఒక క్యారెట్ తీసుకున్నాం. క్యారెట్ లుక్ లైక్ అ కోన్ నియర్లీ. సో ఇఫ్ we cut a carrot parallel to the base like this, అంటే కోన్ ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి, ఇలాగా నేను దీన్ని ఇలా ప్యారలల్ గా కట్ చేశాను. ఇలా బేస్డ్ ప్యారలల్ కట్ చేసి ఈ పార్ట్ తీసేసాను. ఓకేనా? ఇంక ఇక్కడ ఏం మిగులుతుంది నీకు? ఇగో ఇలా మిగులుతుంది, అంతేనా? ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, ఈ పై పార్ట్ ఏ షేప్ ఉంటుంది? సర్కిల్ ఉంటుంది. రైట్, సర్కిల్. It's a circle. Now, question number 14. Question number 14. A diagonal of a rectangle is inclined to one side of the rectangle at 25 degrees. The acute angle between the diagonals is. Yesterday we see this, na? Diagonal of a rectangle. There is a rectangle. This is 25 degree. This is 25 degree. He is asking one of the acute angles, maybe this one, x. What is x value? We know in rectangle diagonals are equal and bisect each other. In rectangle diagonals are equal and bisect each other. So these two are equal. If this is 25, this is also 25. 25 plus 25, 50. Then this will be 130. Acute angle will be 50. So answer 50 degrees. Acute angle is 50 degrees. Okay na? Then question number 15. The number of dimensions a point has. Number of dimensions a point has. Yes, no dimensions. Point has no dimensions. 0. Correct. Now, question number 16. Question number 16. Factorize 12a square b minus 6ab square. 12a square b minus 6ab square. What is the factorization for this?
Factorization.
Not infinity, 0. Point has no dimensions.
A square minus b square.
Darsh,
Cut.
Euclid చెప్పాడా చెప్పలేదా?
ఇదే.
Euclid told na point has no
A minus
dimensions.
b whole cube. A minus b whole
So
cube.
take 6ab common. 6ab common. So 2b minus 2a minus b. 2a minus b. 6ab into 2a minus b. Okay. Next, 17th question. The linear equation 2x minus 5y is equal to 7 has. It has how many solutions? Unique solution, 2 solutions, infinitely many solutions, no solutions. Vaishali, linear equation in 2 variable. Vaishali, linear equation in 2 variable is having infinite many solutions, not unique. It has infinitely many solutions. Hmm. 18th question. In RHS rule, H stands for
Height.
correct. Hypotenuse. In RHS congruency rule, H stands for hypotenuse. Question number, see directions. In the following question, a statement assertion is followed by a reason. Mark the correct one. Yeah. For 19th question. According to Euclid, first axiom, things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Reason, AB is equal to PQ, PQ is equal to XY, then AB is equal to XY. Yes. Both are right, assertion and reason both are right, and reason is correct example of assertion. Option A, both assertion and reason are true, and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. Option A is right. And the 20th question. If angles A and B form linear pair of angles and A 40, B 150, the sum of linear pair of angles is always 180. So here assertion wrong, reason right. Assertion wrong, reason right. Option D. Option D. So with this, in this question paper, all the 20 bits are done. All the 20 objective type questions are done. So kindly prepare section B, section C, section D and section E. and ask me the doubts tomorrow in the class. Section B, Section C, Section D, and Section E. Go through the questions, all the questions, and come with the doubts tomorrow in the second question paper. Morning we have solved the first question paper. I think that is done. Now, one more question paper I kept it. Prepare that one also. Ask me the doubts tomorrow in the class. Okay then? Thank you very much. Dhanyavad. Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Thank you. Bye.